Good afternoon, everybody. Uneducated Economist here. I got a real quick one. This is coming out of Seeking Alpha. It's the January stock market bounce leads to dangerous risk-off sales pitch to investors. It says down here, junk-rated bonds and loans are flying off the shelves again, easing recent worries that a credit market freeze could harm the economy. So last week, the Federal Reserve came out saying that they were going to pause interest rate hikes. A lot of people took this as a reversal. They didn't reverse the program. They're going to pause it, okay? Meaning that they're not going to raise nor lower the interest rates. Now, junk bonds are just that. They're junk. And generally, if you are buying for like a retirement fund or something like that, most of those investors who are buying for these retirement funds can't even buy junk bonds. They have to buy something that's BBB or better. But investors really like these junk bonds because they pay such a high interest rate to them. And buying junk bonds can be very risky, okay? Because what ends up happening is that if interest rates rise, if interest rates drop, like the Federal Reserve says that they're going to do, those bonds are going to go up in value, okay? You'll be able to sell them for a profit. But here's the kicker. If the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, those bonds could turn into toxic assets, meaning you won't be able to sell them at all. Right? Now, that's a possibility because if interest rates go up, those toxic assets won't be paying as much of an interest rate as the new bonds that are coming out, meaning that you have to take a loss for them. And because they're already a risky asset, you may not find an investor who will give you any money for them. Okay? So, yeah, $50 billion worth of bonds sold over the last few weeks of these junk bonds. Concerns me, especially considering the video that we put out yesterday showing that there's only a 54 basis point spread, a half a percentage point separating the 1 month and a 30-year treasury. Guys, that is a very dangerous place to be in, okay? If you have a lot of confidence in the Fed and the Fed is going to be lowering interest rates, hey, buy all them junk bonds you want. But if the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, those junk bonds could turn to toxic right away. All right, Uneducated Economist, talk to you later.